You're not trading, you're gambling. And let me tell you why. A lot of people, when they start off trading, they try to take 7, 20 trades a day. You need to stop that. You want to focus and take 2 to 5 trades a day. Once you become consistent, once you become dedicated to your craft, and once you build your skills, your discipline, and your confidence, your trades will go through the roof. Now, the biggest issue traders have with trading is not sticking to their plan, gambling, revenge trading, and letting their losers run way too long. What I want to teach you guys is how to be self-sufficient, how to trade properly, and the trader's mindset. What's the trader's mindset? This is not an easy job. You have to have a lot of discipline, okay? You have to be able to sit there for hours on end, looking at the chart, go up and down, thinking to yourself, if I entered here, I would have made money. It doesn't matter. You have to be disciplined enough to where you could control yourself and take your trades when you're supposed to. And that's exactly what happened today. Now, in looking at today's chart, you can see that our first trade of the day was at 10:50 Eastern right here with this bearish candle. We're in shorts off of this bearish candle right here. Oh, on Webull, it has no bottom wick. But on my Ninja Trader, it does have a bottom wick. Now we just let it play out, okay? We let it play out. Hit the take profit, come on.
Target filled.
First take profit hit.
Filled.
Let's go. I'm still holding a couple of runners. That's all right. There we go. That's exactly what I mean by you have to take your profits based off of the chart, okay? I took 5 contract profit there, and I did break even on the other 5. On Webull, you can see it does not have a bottom wick. Ninja Trader, it does have a bottom wick, as you can see right here. Based off experience, Ninja Trader does have a better data provider, so I go off of what I see from Ninja. I did enter off of this bearish candle at our key level. I drew my box. We entered off at this low. Drew my box to my stop loss. Brought it all the way down. And that became my exact take profit, which was right here. Exactly at the bottom of this wick and exactly off of the 7 EMA. And don't forget, we're live every single day, 7 a.m. Pacific, 10 a.m. Eastern. Join the lives, type in chat, say what's up, and don't forget to join the community. We have a new Discord server now. It's in the description. We got over 100 members already in the Discord, and today alone there were 73 people green on the Discord and 0 red. We're absolutely banking, bro. If you want to become green, if you want to learn how to trade properly and not gamble and not waste your money, join up. Let's go together, okay? Now, on to the trades for today. Now, our next trade of the day was puts off of this level right here, okay? And when looking at today's chart, okay, this is a 200 EMA line, okay? This thing's a brick wall. Whenever we're near it, we always reject hard from it. And right here, as you can see, we rejected really hard from it. Right here, we rejected really hard from this level right here. So the next time we tested this little range, this little zone with the bearish candle, I entered with shorts, and I did bank off of this. As soon as this closed, I entered and I took a nice 1-to-1 risk ratio profit right here. Boom, boom, took profit exactly at the low right here. We're at high of day. Puts are in favor. We're above all the EMA lines. 200 EMA lines right above us. That thing is a brick wall. We reject from it so many times in the past. So that gave me more confidence to enter the trade. Now on to the live trade. I'm in shorts off of this 5-minute bearish candle. Take profit's about to hit.
Order filled.
Order filled. Let's go. Second trade of the day. We got shorts again off of this same key level that we banked off of multiple times today. Usually I don't like retesting levels, but today is one of those days where it just loves to retest levels, and it always works. Now again, right here, I got this confirmation for shorts right here off of this green bearish confirmation. Top of the wick right there, all the way to the close of the candle. Bring it down. That is our take profit at this low. Our stop loss is here. We are in the middle of the channel. We are gonna add here.
Order filled.
Risking a little bit of our profits on the day for gains. Take profits coming. It's about to hit. And
target filled.
Target filled. Let's go. Oh my god, y'all saw that live, bro. Our next trade of the day was right here. Again, shorts off of this key level zone right here. Now once we grab our box, we draw it from the candle close to our stop loss. We bring it down, as you can see right there. It wicked close to our take profit, but it didn't, and this is because the data provider of Webull. That's why I use a Ninja to trade. Right here, we drew our box on Ninja. Our stop loss was up there. We entered in at the bottom. We bring it down. Boom. It hit our take profit exactly right here, as you can see. All right, I am short off of that bearish candle that we just got. Now we wait, we draw our take profit. Boom, boom, take profit box drawn. Our take profit is at this low right here. Stop loss at the high of this wick. There we go. Final take profit's about to hit.
Order filled.
Order filled. Let's go. Another W. Yeah, and that was the day, man. We had 5 green trades on the day. I alerted every single one of them on the live stream from market open all the way to market close. I'm live every single day, alerting you guys, helping you guys out, answering any questions you got in chat. Join the live, stop by, say what's up, learn how to trade, learn how to become profitable, and stop gambling your money away, okay? In the Discord, we had 48 people green, 0 people red today, and every one of those people is from the live stream, watching me every single day, learning with me, growing with me, banking with me. Now, if you want to join the Discord, the link is in the description. We have over 100 members in 2 days of launching. Absolutely crazy, man. And these are our key levels for the day. These are our zones that we're going to be looking at. I do update my key levels every single day after market close on Discord, and the same key levels we had today are not the same key levels we had tomorrow. We did move a couple key levels around in the middle right here. As you can see, new PCP is 444.85, okay? Now let's go over a couple key levels for the day. We have 446.22, which is a gap we need to fill. We have 445.73, 445.55. That is a micro key level, okay? If we get there, don't enter heavy. The next level is 445.33, 445.12. PCP is 444.85, 444.50, 444, and 443.22, and 442.76, which is a major support zone, okay? Those are our levels on the day. If you want to look at the whole price ladder on our key levels, it's on the Discord. I'm on the Discord. If you have any questions, comment below or reach out to me. We absolutely banged today as a team. Remember, stay confident, stay green, and stay patient.